Welcome to Objective 5 question series in economics. Question number 1. The cost of next best alternative foregone is dash. Option A, production cost. Option B, investment cost. Option C, opportunity cost. Now what is next best alternative foregone? The question is next best alternative foregone. Is it production cost? No. Investment cost? Definitely not. Then answer is opportunity cost is next best alternative foregone. Question number 2. Dash refers to the limitation of supply in relation to demand for a commodity. Option A, opportunity cost. Option B, scarcity. Option C, production possibility curve. Now we know what is opportunity cost. That is next best alternative. So it's not the answer. Now scarcity we know. Then what is production possibility curve? Production possibility curve is the combinations of different commodities that can be produced when the resources of the economy are fully utilized. So here the question is dash refers to the limitation of supply in relation to demand for commodity. So it's not production possibility curve. So the answer is option B, that is scarcity. Now question 3. Why economic problem is there? Option A, price is always increasing. Option B, alternative use of resources. Option C, difficulty of government to control human activities. Why economic problem is there? That is question. Is it price is always increasing? No. Then alternative use of resources. Then difficulty of government to control human activities. Is it difficulty of government to control human activities? No. So the answer is option B, alternative use of resources. Question number 4. Dash deals with what are the economic problems and how are they actually solved? Dash deals with what are the economic problems and how are they actually solved. Is it scarcity? Option A, scarcity. Option B, positive economics. Option C, normative economics. Scarcity, we know what is scarcity. We already discussed. Then positive economics, that is statements it's saying. Normative economics, that is saying some value judgments. So here what is the answer? Here the question is what are the economic problems and how are they actually solved? That deals with a, it's not scarcity. It's not normative economics. Then answer is positive economics, that is option B. Now question number 5. True or false statements. 1. Positive economics includes value judgments. 2. Positive economics remain neutral with respect to ultimate ends. Option A, 1 is true, 2 is false. Option B, both are true. Option C, 1 is false, 2 is true. Then which is the answer? The first question, positive economics includes value judgments. Is it correct? Value judgments includes in normative economics. So it's not correct. It's false. Second is positive economics remain neutral with respect to ultimate ends. Positive economics is always saying some statements. That is it's neutral. Okay. Then this is correct. So 1 is false, 2 is true is the answer. So what this is wrong, both are true, that is wrong. Then option C, 1 is false and 2 is true, that is the answer. Thank you.